Wind warning. Issued at Monday, 10 a.m. January 6, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. High winds expected today.
What?
Northerly winds gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour. When? From Sunday afternoon to late Monday evening. Where? The lower North Shore. Additional information. An intense low-pressure system will reach Newfoundland. At this time, little precipitation is expected with a storm over the lower North Shore. The near-freezing temperatures will give a mix of rain and snow. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to QStorm@EC.GC.ca or tweet reports using hashtag QCStorm.